Okay, financial accounting and master data and preparation, GL accounts, GL accounts and preparation. Because we are going to prepare GL accounts. Okay, so we need chart of accounts for that. So for that, we need a chart of account for our company GMAP, new entries. We'll call it GMAP, and that will be GMAP chart of accounts. Maintenance language will be English, length of the GL account number. Now, length means the digits to make a GL account. Okay, if you remember, we saw that in GL master data 400, 500 had 6 digits. So maximum will be 10. Save it and save it. Next step is assign company code to chart of accounts. And GMAP is the company code. And say it is GMAP. GMAP. The old one was copied basically from company code and it had a different chart of accounts. So I'll say save it. Save it. Okay. And we'll define an account group. Account group will be the categories like zero balance accounts, assets, expenses, income, liabilities. Okay. So I will pick up more refined gap. Gap 9, yeah, is the same because it has much more details like number ranges. Okay. So I will copy as and GMAP, copy, Control Y and backspace. Now I can copy and paste this. So I have zero balance accounts. I'll explain later what is zero balance. Assets, expenses, income, liabilities, secondary costs. Secondary costs is basically used for product costing. Okay. And I will also make a new entry, GMAP, MATL, but no. Okay. GMAP, chart of accounts. In GMAP, we have secondary costs 3, 4, 5. Okay. I'll make a new entry, GMAP, MATL, material counts. Okay. That will be 5. 2, 5, 9, 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, enter. So this is the length of the GL account that I was talking about. Okay. Save and save. So let's check what are the accounts that we have made. GMAP. And we have 7 to 799, 200, 299, 400. And this will actually help you to make GL accounts more precisely. Okay. That is done. Define retained earnings account, very important step. GMAP, enter X, 100, 100. This will be our retained earnings. I know retained earnings account are used for balance carry forward. Okay, it gives a warning in orange. I'll just press enter and then save it. Enter. Okay. Now, coming back to this node, and this node, we have already done this chart of accounts. Now, financial accounting, again, SPRO and financial accounting and global settings and what else? Yeah, ledgers. So in ledgers, we have fiscal year and posting periods. Fiscal year and posting. Maintain, edit, assign company code to a fiscal year variant. And our is GMAP. It is here V3, we will say K4. Now, what is fiscal year? Fiscal year is basically your fiscal year will be January, December with 4 special periods. 4 special periods means apart from January to December, 12 months, we have 4 special apart from that. So we have 16 total periods. These 4 special periods are for adjustments at year end and month end. Okay. I'll stop my lecture over here. Okay. So you can actually practice this and we'll save it.